Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. If you are in the medical device industry, you have probably heard about ISO 13485. But why is it so important? In this video, I'll break down the top reasons why ISO 13485 matters, how it helps medical device companies, and why getting certified can be a game changer. So stick around till the end for some insider tips. Let's dive in. What is ISO 13485? First, let's quickly define what ISO 13485 is. It's an international standard for quality management systems, that is QMS, in the medical device industry. This standard ensures that companies design, develop, and manufacture medical devices that meet regulatory and safety requirements. Simply put, ISO 13485 helps companies produce safe, effective, and high-quality medical devices while ensuring compliance with global regulations. Why is ISO 13485 important? Compliance with global regulations. One of the biggest reasons ISO 13485 is crucial is that it helps companies comply with regular requirements worldwide. For example, in the European Union, ISO 13485 certification is a key step toward getting the CE mark. In Canada, it's mandatory for medical device manufacturers selling in the market. In the United States, while not required, it aligns closely with FDA Quality System Regulations, that is QSR. So if you want to sell your medical device internationally, ISO 13485 is your passport to global markets. Improved product quality. Ensures high-quality medical devices. Quality and safety are non-negotiable when it comes to medical devices. ISO 13485 helps companies implement a structured approach to quality management, ensuring that products meet safety and performance requirements. Manufacturing processes are consistent and controlled. Defective or non-compliant products are identified and corrected quickly. In short, ISO 13485 reduces risk and increases customer confidence in your product. Risk management. Strengthens risk management. Medical devices come with potential safety risk, and ISO 13485 helps companies identify, assess, and mitigate those risks. The standard requires a risk-based approach to product design and manufacturing. Continuous monitoring of customer complaints and product failures. Procedures to ensure quick corrective actions if issues arise. By following these principles, companies can prevent calls, safety issues, and legal problems down the line. Business growth and market access. Expands business opportunities. ISO 13485 certification is more than just compliance. It's a competitive advantage. Many manufacturers, suppliers, and business partners prefer working with certified companies because it shows a commitment to quality and compliance. For startups and small businesses, having ISO 13485 certification can open doors to partnerships, investors, and new markets. It's an investment that pays off in the long run. So why is ISO 13485 important for medical devices? Because it ensures regulatory compliance, improves product quality, strengthens risk management, and unlocks business growth. If you are in the medical device industry, getting certified can boost your reputation, reduce risk, and expand your market reach. What do you think? Are you considering ISO 13485 certification? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on medical device regulations and quality management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.